is one of the easiest ones to do the battery on, okay? Now you can use your fingernail, or you can get something like a little small flathead screwdriver, but all we're gonna do is pry at the bottom part of the backside panel, okay? All you gotta do is put your fingernail in there a little bit, if you got one, or a little butter knife or something, and just pull it off, all right? And the cover just comes right off. Gotta be the easiest one ever, all right? So I am gonna use a flathead screwdriver to get the battery out. It only comes out, it's pretty much impossible to do with your finger. But we're gonna go ahead and pry it out from the top like this. Just work it out. See how it comes out like that. I'll show you what size it is. We're gonna drop it. The size is a CR2032 with the positive sign facing out towards us. When you get your new one, you just stick it in here like that, and then just lock it in like that. If you need a new one, I'll have a link that takes you to Amazon where you can buy one from there. It's gonna be the right size and everything. So the cover itself, it just snaps right back on. Easy peasy.